friends, what's up? This is Dr. from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to make Siri show transcription of your speech on Mac. With the help of Siri, you can perform many tasks on your Mac faster. But do you know that you can have Siri show the transcription of your speech on your Mac? This feature will make it more convenient for you to communicate with a virtual assistant. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, click on the Apple menu located at the top right corner of the user interface. After that, choose System Settings in the menu to proceed. In the sidebar, scroll down a bit and then choose Siri and Search. Next up, click on Siri Responses. Then ensure that the toggle for Always Show Speech is turned on. And finally, make sure to click on the Done button and you are all set. Going forward, Siri will always display the transcription of your speech on screen, which will play a vital role in enhancing your conversation with a virtual assistant. Of course, if you ever decide to get rid of this feature, all you have to do is go back to the same Siri setting and then turn off the toggle for Always Show Speech, and that's about it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.